Replacing your EyeSight-equipped Subaru windshield? Make sure it's a genuine Subaru windshield. EyeSight is Subaru's exclusive advanced driver assist system. It uses a stereo camera to monitor and recognize activity on the road ahead for pre-collision braking and other safety measures. A Subaru Genuine Windshield is designed and engineered to operate with EyeSight. They feature minimal curvature and optimal tint zones, which ensure proper visibility for EyeSight's stereo camera. Using a non-Subaru Genuine Windshield may compromise the visibility of the camera, and any distortion in the glass may prevent the correct measurement of an object, either of which would result in improper or incorrect EyeSight operation. Visit your Subaru dealership to ensure your Subaru Genuine Windshield is installed correctly and is properly calibrated by expert technicians for safe operation. Keep your Subaru's EyeSight performing as it should, with a Subaru Genuine Windshield that is engineered to provide maximum safety, optimal fit, and functionality.